it! We're free! Oh, this is the most fun I've had since that time Jeannie turned the oven into a bouncy house. Space is ours to conquer again. No alien clowns to... Hey. Uh-oh. Where's your ship? Oh, they won't get far. I've got Chessy's precious little spaceship. I'm gonna catch him and make him play with me. Ha! Hey, what's this? Oh, I'm pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh. I'm so pretty. Looking pretty good, Bungledorff. Uh-oh. Hey! Oh, look at that. Still gorgeous. Bungledorff. Right. What are these things for? Hey. Oh. Where's your ship? Oh, crud muffins. I left it back on Carnivac. All right. Let's push some buttons. What are these things for? Hey! Confetti moon! I kinda love that! Let's see what else we got! I'm pretty. Oh, so pretty! What in tarnation is that? It's my spaceship? Bungledorff? She's probably coming to play charades. Or make us be the charades. Yoo-hoo! Captain Breadhooky Pookie! Chessy Poo! Prepare for a game of cosmic hide and seek! Tag, you're it! Gadzooks! This thing's got more twist than a cinnamon roll! Well, at least she's consistent. Should we hide? It is hide and seek. Not on my watch. Let's see her chase this. Right googly moogly. Don't just sit there. Leave a comment. And boop that bell. Stay tuned. Oh, look! Space pinball! Let's play! That's not a game, Chessy. It's a meteor field. Hold on to your cheese puffs. Whee! It's just like bumper cars, except with more kabooms. Oh, look at the sparkly things. Glitter. Pretty, pretty. Oh, I'm so pretty. Oh, la la. Uh-oh. Looks like she's catching up. And she brought her big old kaboom maker. Oh, cripes. That's her crazy cannon. Last time she used it to shoot shoe-fly pies at us. Ooh, pies. Think she brought coconut fudge this time? It's not snack time, Chessy. It's dodge time. Ready or Breadhook! Here comes a dose of Bungledorff brilliance! Whoa! Party supplies incoming! It's only a party if they don't hit us! Don't you worry, Captain, I'm going to clean up this mess. When this baby pops, they'll have no choice but to come back and play with me! Oh no, it's her ultimate weapon, Chessy. Hang on! Is it a snake? No, it's worse. Glitter tornado! Great Caesar's ghost! We're gonna look like a disco ball! You can't escape the queen of fun! Next time I'm bringing my balloon bazooka! Okay, that was kind of funny! Woohoo! Space rodeo! Yee-haw! Giddy up there, partner! That one! That one! Go, Cheesecake, go! 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 Go, Cheesecake, go! 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 Cheese splat! Woo! Great googly magoogly! Now I'm snacking and tracking! Let's see you dodge my bingo balls of chaos! Oh, dang it, Breadhook, we're going down! Hold on, Cheesehead, it's gonna be rough! Hey, where'd they go? What's that? Hey, I'm pretty. I'm so pretty. I'm still pretty. Oh, I'm so pretty, pretty, pretty.